You gotta be joking me. Tell me they're not spraying us with chemtrails. Look at that. Are you seeing that? Look. That's chemtrails. You're joking. That's chemtrails. That's what I've been trying to tell people of. That is the biggest thing ever. 6 planes didn't just take off from the airport at the exact same time to go to the same place, did they? No, they're modifying our weather, and this is my proof. This is the biggest proof I've ever seen in Newfoundland of them spraying chemtrails. You see them weird things they put in the sky? I didn't want to talk about this on my first day. I really didn't. I wanted to keep everything professional. But look at the separations, sure.
Yeah.
Right?
Holy fuck.
Look, sure. They're making all kinds of different turns and everything down there.
Yeah. Bro!
Oh my God. That is crazy.